think that's kind of the thing is that, yeah, hey, look, if you're a company, you got two choices. You can go out and you can go pay for somebody you want, or you can develop somebody you want. And that's what brings it all back together. And now companies in a rapidly changing demographic market where expectations are shifting, companies got to get smarter and how they hire, how they retain, how they get more productivity. And on the flip side, people, got to say, hey, look, are my expectations realistic for the long term?
Yeah.
Or am I just on a sugar high?
No, you're right. I agree with a lot of what you said. I think that the mean is, things do revert back to the mean, but I think the mean has inched up over the last couple of years. We'll never get back to where we were, I think the key question is, how do you attack this reverting back to the mean? If you don't have the compensation, you have to do it in qualitative ways.
Yeah, companies always be recruiting.
Yeah,
always
should always be recruiting.
Always be recruiting. And from the people standpoint, it's always be thinking. And it's always be thinking about, am I bringing it? Am I earning what I'm commanding? Am I bringing the value that I've asked for?
I think I think you hit on something there. I don't know if you've ever seen this movie, Glengarry Glen Ross.
Oh yeah, love
right?
that movie.
Do you remember he pulls the chart down and he writes on the board ABC, right?
Always be closing.
But you know what? It's always be closing. But what's even more important for the employers that are listening out there, ABR, always be recruiting.